When we factor, we always look for a greatest common factor, but we don't have anything we can divide out of all three terms. So now we're just going to factor it into two binomials. We look at the second sign first. If it's a negative, that means the signs that we plug in are going to be different. So let's just do different signs. And now we look at the first term, and we figure out, okay, well, what two numbers multiplies to give us 3? And I'm going to put them over here. Well, that's just going to be 3x and 1x. That multiplied together gives us 3x squared. And then we need two numbers that multiply to give us 12. Well, that's going to be, let's see, 12 and 1. We have 6 and 2. And we have 3 and 4. Now remember, one of these three sets of numbers is going to go here and here because it multiplies to give you 12. And these two terms are going to go here and here. I just don't know where they're going to go. Okay, so now we need to kind of guess and check. Remember, we're going to get two products, and those products has to have a difference of 5. You see you have different signs here. So we're looking for a difference of 5. Because if you multiply these, that's 36. And that's 1. That does not have a difference of 5. So those don't work. Now let's flip it around. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 12 is 12. Okay, so this is 3x and 12x. That does not have a difference of 5x. So that doesn't work either. So now we know we have to use this because it's our only option. So we can cross this one out. So now 3 times 6, that's 18x. 1 times 2, that's 2x. That does not have a difference of 5. So now we're going to switch it. Take 3 times 2, which is 6x. And then x times 6, that's also 6x. That does not have a difference of 5. So that doesn't work. So now we cross this one off. 3 times 3 is 9x. X times 4 is 4x. Okay, that has a difference of 5, so that works. Now, since the signs are different, positive and negative, these are going to have different signs. We want negative 5, so that means 9 is negative and 4 is positive. Now, if 9 is negative, that means the 3 is negative. So put the 3 here, and then the 4 is going to go here. Now the 3 gets multiplied with 3x, so 3x is going to go here, because when we multiply, that's what we're going to multiply together, and 1x goes here. And we should have it factored correctly, but we always want to make sure we check our work. So let's multiply it back out, shall we? Alright, so let's take 3x times x, and that is 3x squared. This times this is negative 9x. This is positive 4x. And this is negative 12. So you have 3x squared. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5x, and then minus 12. And that is the same thing we have in the beginning. So we know our answer is correct.